Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's expected or what can be expected in the month of April. So as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what can be expected, what are the messages for Cancerians in the month of April. Okay, so we have the Five of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Three of Swords, Eight of Swords, Five of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. So Cancerians, you feel abandoned, rejected, and I think it's this energy is already past now. That there was a phase in which you were feeling very upset, very I should say depressed or left out in the cold, ignored. But with the Page of Swords, there has been a new beginning over here. Though it was a small beginning, a step forward. And after coming out of that, you have successfully managed to come out of this situation in which you felt ignored or rejected or abandoned, whatever it was. But there was something new in your life with the Page of Swords. Maybe it was an idea, some sort of a communication, somebody said, but definitely some sort of a new beginning has been there with the Page of Swords. And from that you have come up to the Ten of Pentacles. So you've established yourself once again. That's what I feel. Maybe it was a small initiation. There was something small which you have really built up and build up a strong foundation of. Okay, so you started small with a small gesture, a small investment, a small step to it was a small step towards this beginning, and now you are very I think you have really established yourself in every way in this relationship. If it is a relationship or it is your life, then it is actually you have really established yourself financially, career wise, relationship wise, everything. So you have really I think it is something like you've from the rags to not exactly the riches, but yes, to something to of like that, that you've maybe you really have a humble background in that way, and you've started from a scratch and build yourself up. It's something like that. Okay, and with the Six of Swords, you are moving towards peace. You are definitely moving towards peace with all this. But with the Three of Swords and the Eight of Swords, I really don't understand what are you facing over here. There is something which you want to leave behind. There is some sort of an agony. There is some sort of a heartache in your life which you want to move away from, or you're trying to move away from. So see, one more thing is, though you have built yourself very strongly, established yourself very strongly, but what I feel is you are wanting to move towards peace, leaving behind the agony, but I really don't think you are able to do that successfully. With the Eight of Swords, there is something very strong which is not letting you move forward. There is something which is really holding you back. There is some sort of agony and pain in your heart. So even if you are trying to move out of it, I really don't feel that you are able to do that. You are totally stuck in this situation. Whatever this situation is, it's all time in your thoughts. It's totally captivated you. You really feel imprisoned in this situation. It's really tough for you to leave this situation or step out of this situation. Okay, there is something, definitely it can be this Five of Pentacles vibe, that even though you have done it, but there is a strong, it was such an experience that it doesn't, you're not able to forget it type of a thing, and you're not able to ignore it in your life, and whatever your actions and your feelings and your things are, your life is still, it still has an impact on your life type of a thing. That's what I feel. So maybe even if you started from rags to the riches, but this phase of your life, maybe it has that thing in it that you are not able to get out of it or get over it. It can be this also. So it can be that, or maybe it's something else. Okay, and with the Five of Cups here again, what I feel is definitely uh, it's not easy for you. Definitely that you are upset. You are really upset. I don't know. Maybe it can be something else which is there, but something is definitely hurting you. There is something which is definitely hurting you, and you are really upset about it. You are not able to focus on anything positive also. Okay, that is the main thing. But with the Ace of Pentacles, there is definitely an offer coming in. There is definitely a person coming in, or a new something new which is coming in, which is being offered to you. And here again with the King of Cups, what I feel is maybe you are able to gain control of life over here. Maybe this is something which you're emotional about or you've been waiting for. Can be that. See, it can be some other aspect of your life also. Maybe with the Ten of Pentacles, everything is financially good and there is something which is hurting you emotionally, or maybe the family life is fine and settled, but there is some other aspect of your life which is troubling you and which is you're not able to move forward from. And there are a lot of unhappy moments and a lot of regret sort of a thing, but you're really upset about it. But with Ace of Pentacles, what is there is that there is definitely a new beginning which is coming in, and with the King of Cups, it's up to you that you are able to avail it or not. But yes, what I feel is that you will be able to get back your control once you are able to avail this new beginning which is coming your way. Let's see what is the message from what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. Okay, so we have the Jack of Clubs. So this is something totally focused on or totally glued to something which you really admire and love or you really want. So it can be this new opportunity that once you get this new opportunity, you are able to gain back the control of your life. Maybe it can be that. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Eight of Action. There is so much going on right now that it may feel overwhelming to you, and yet it's wonderful to be so busy with the work that you love. Express gratitude for the blessings of the heaven that are taking up your time, even if the life feels challenging. If you're asked to travel and take a flight, then do so with confidence. So, Cancerians, I don't know, maybe you're actually moving to some place. Can be that. So Cancerians, I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.